Stop drawing, start explaining. AI Line Studios generates cloud and system diagrams instantly. Clear, structured, production ready.
Hello everyone, welcome to Allen Studio tutorial 90 and today's topic is how to add icons in a network diagram in Allen Studio. So after successfully registering on the platform, the first page you would be redirected to is the workspace page. Over there you need to select the cloud architecture feature and in the pop-up you need to select system architecture. Why? Because in Allen Studio, network architecture diagrams are part of the system architecture diagrams. So I have already generated my diagram for a basic small office setup where you can have users, internet and firewall and modem to connect with things. And this diagram got generated for me in just 15 to 20 seconds. And today we are talking about how to add icons. So in the header, can you see this button called icons? Click on it and you would see multiple icon options. In Airline Studio, we have 3000 plus icons available. So from here, you can choose different icons and place them anywhere on the canvas to represent the devices like routers, servers, firewall, and user systems. So this helps you to make your diagram more visual and easy to understand. So basically, adding an icon in Airline Studio helps you create more clear and realistic network diagrams. So this is it for today's tutorial. See you in the next tutorial.